In this video, we'll create a cloud inside a bottle using two different methods. For this demonstration, you will need one empty plastic bottle, a manual air pump, and a size 3 rubber stopper. The air pump will require a ball inflating needle. Before starting the activity, prepare the rubber stopper by inserting the needle through it. You can use a very small drill bit to make the hole, as shown in this photo. Once the needle is in place, connect the stopper to the manual air pump as such. For method 1, you will also need rubbing alcohol, and for method 2, you will need matches and water. Let's start with method number 1, pouring a tiny amount of rubbing alcohol inside the bottle. You'll only need a very small amount. Immediately seal the bottle with a stopper and start pumping air. 3 to 4 pumps should be good enough this time. As soon as you can, release the stopper to allow the cloud to form. This time we got a barely visible cloud, and that happens sometimes. You might have to try it multiple times to get a very good cloud. Sometimes it happens because we put too much alcohol or we took too long to release the stopper after pumping air. So we're going to try again, but a little differently. This time we'll have a friend help hold the bottle in place. Everyone involved should turn their heads away from the bottle because we're going to let the stopper release on its own from the pressure inside. This sudden release gives us a much better cloud as the stopper flies off and the pressure drops quickly. Now let's try method number 2. Instead of alcohol, we'll add a small splash of water and swirl it around to coat the inside of the bottle. Then pour the water out so only tiny droplets remain inside. Next, have a friend light a match and drop it into the bottle. Quickly seal the bottle with a stopper, then give it a shake so the inside fills with smoke particles. Pump air into the bottle 3 to 4 times and then release the stopper suddenly. This time we get a more visible cloud on the first try. Clouds form when water vapor condenses into tiny droplets around particles in the air. Pumping increases pressure and slightly warms the vapor inside the bottle. When you release the stopper, the pressure drops quickly. The vapor cools and droplets form a visible cloud. In method 1, we use alcohol because it condenses much quicker with just the pressure change. So if you can't use matches, this is a great alternative to explain how clouds form. However, using water and matches is a much more similar process to what happens in our atmosphere when moisture condenses onto dust, pollen, and smoke particles. Thanks for watching this video. For more activities and resources like this, visit the NOAA Office of Education website.